Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to solve a very important problem from module 2, joint probability distribution. So the question is, the joint probability distribution of two discrete random variable x and y is given by fx comma y equals to k times of 2x plus y, where x and y are the integers such that x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than equal to 2, where y is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3. So three cases we have to find. First one is find the value of the constant k. This one. Second case is find the marginal probability distribution of x and y. And third one is show that the random variable x and y are dependent. So now we go for first part where find the value of k. So we are making a table here. X and y. So x value is, we are writing here x value which is 0 comma 1 comma 2 because up to 2 is there equal to 2, and y is 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to 3 is there, and here we write sum and here we also write sum like that. So what is our main equation? F of x comma y which is equal to k times of 2x plus y. So if we take 0 and 0, x is 0 and y is 0, it becomes 0. When 0 to 1, where x value is 0 and y value is 1, it becomes k. So like that we find all the values. 2k, this is 3k, and what the sum is there, 2 plus 3, and this is 6k. Like that. Where x equals to 1 and y equals to 0, it becomes 2 plus 0 equals to 2k. So 2k, 1 1, 3k, 1 2, 4k, then this is 5k. What the sum of 5 4 9 and 3 12 plus 2 14k. So this is our 14k. Like that. X value is 2, y value is 0, so it become 4k, 5k, 6k, 7k, then it becomes 22k. So now what is the sum of this one? 6k, sum of this one 9k, sum of this one 12k, sum of this one 15k, and sum of this one 42k. So we have 42k which is equal to 1. So when you add it to row and column, you get 42k. Then 42k equals to 1, then k equals to 1 by 42. This is the answer of our first part, where we have to find the constant value of k. Now go for second part, where we have to find the marginal probability distribution of x and y. So B part is marginal probability distribution of x and y. So now first we go for the x, where x equals to xi which is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2, like that y equals to y of j which is 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. So now go for x of xi which is going 0 comma 1 comma 2, and our function is f of x comma I. So what is the value? At 0, sum is 0. This is equal to 6k, 1 at 1 14k, at 2 22k. So here 6k, 14k, and this is 22k, and already we know that what the value of k is 1 by 42. So this is 6y 42, 14y 42, and 22y 42. So these are marginal distribution of x. Now go for y, same like that. So y of I, which is f of, we can say that this is a different functions of this is g of I. So g of yj, sorry, which is 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, which is 6k 9k. Here 6k 9k, this is the value of 0 1 2 3. So 6k 9k 12k 15k. So 6k 9k 12k 15k, which is equal to 6 by 42, 9 by 42, 12 by 42 and 15 by 42. So this is our marginal probability distribution of x and y. Now our third part is, as you can clearly see that f of xi into g of yj, which is not equal to j of ij. So this is our, so our random variables are dependent. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.